Snapping to hotel center points will be easier with lookup tables, so that's what we have made in this video. Within the top level constant macros, we have made 3 const values. The center point of a hotel for the first, second, and third on the X or Y axis. So cell 0, 1, or 2, X or Y axis. And here is the math for it here. We take the origin of a given hotel cell, and then we add half of a hotel to get the center, and then -1 to make sure that we're not off by 1. We've added a top-level lookup tables section. We got some tags so we find it easier. We have a description of what these variables mean, but let's just look at the lookup tables. We have this is the X lookup table that converts a hotel index 9 to a discrete center point X value on the DOM. And then we have another lookup table here, which converts a hotel index 9 value to a discrete center point Y on the DOM. Hotel index 9 is a one-dimensional value that represents a two-dimensional cell XY location. You'll notice that for the X value, we are going in scanline order, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in terms of the relative cell coordinates. And then when we are doing it on the Y, it's going to be clusters. So we have the 0 cluster for the first row, the 1 cluster for the middle row, and the 2 cluster for the bottom row. We want to make sure that our lookup tables are correct. So we're going to make sure that there are 9 elements in them because it's a 3x3 grid of hotels. Here's some monkey wrench macros in the monkey wrench macros section in case I spell my lookup table values wrong. Here's what we did previously, and here's what we did in this video. You have been on this playlist here. If you don't think I went into enough detail, you can go here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video number 128. Like and subscribe.